Are you aiming to delete your Gmail account? If so, then you have come to the right place. Want to delete your Gmail account? We'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to do it safely and securely. Let's get started. First, log in to your Gmail account. Ensure you're using the correct account you want to delete. This is the first crucial step in the process. Next, enter your password carefully. This ensures that only you have access to this important step. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any login issues. After accessing Gmail, click on your user avatar located at the top right corner to expand the up-down menu. From there, click on the Manage Your Google Account option. Navigate to Data and Privacy in the left column under Personal Info near the top. Scroll down to download your data to back up your messages. This prevents losing important emails when you delete your Gmail account. If you want to back up your messages, you can choose to back up all your data or just specific items. I'm going to select only mail. To do this, find mail in the list and select it. This way, you ensure only your email messages are backed up before deleting your account. Select All Mail Data Included, then choose Specific Label or click Include All Messages in Mail and OK. Scroll down, click Next Step, then choose your file type, frequency, and destination. Select your preferred file type and size and click Create Export. This process is for those wanting to back up their emails. Taking the time to do this ensures you have a copy of all your important information before deleting your Gmail account. Store the backup file safely. After clicking Create Export, wait for the message confirming Google is creating a copy of your mail data. Then, click the back arrow to return to Data and Privacy. Scroll down to delete a Google service. Re-enter your Gmail password if requested. You might be required to confirm your password once more before proceeding with the deletion of your Gmail service. This additional verification ensures the security of your account. After clicking the trash can icon, provide an alternative email address for your Google account. This will serve as the email address you use to access other Google services. Then, click Send Verification Email to confirm. Navigate to your alternate email account. Confirmation of the deletion of your Gmail account will be required. Then navigate and open the verification email sent by Google. Search for an email titled Confirmation for Gmail Deletion. It might take a few minutes before it arrives. Select the link within the email to authenticate your address. This action will prompt a Google sign-in page to appear in a web browser. If you wish to log into your Google account for services like Google Photos or YouTube, utilize your alternative email address not associated with Gmail as your username. Your password will remain unchanged unless you decide to modify it. Log into your Gmail account. The email address you intend to delete will autofill in the field. Proceed by clicking Next, then enter the password linked to this Gmail account. Click the checkbox labeled Located at the bottom of the deletion confirmation message. It's positioned adjacent to the statement Yes, I want to delete Gmail account permanently from my Google account. Click the Delete Gmail button. Clicking this button will remove your Gmail account from your Google account. There you go, process complete. Thanks for watching.